What's up, everybody? Mark from Prime Brains. I'm going to be making a video today sharing with you guys how to make hundreds and thousands of dollars a day if you can actually stick to this business plan. It takes very small investment, if not any investment, meaning you could have a $0 investment to start off this business. And I'm going to be sharing this with you guys because I made a poll in my YouTube and you guys were interested, all right? So what I'm going to tell you guys is you want to watch this video till the end, fully. All right, you want to get every single aspect of this because this could be a real business plan that you guys work through, especially during this pandemic, and make money from at home, whether you're 18 years old, 17 years old, doesn't matter your age, okay? As long as you have a PayPal account, you have a computer, you can do this, okay? So I'm going to be sharing this business plan with you guys. First of all, I'm going to be showing on the screen a little income proof right there, okay? Past 12 days, okay? Gonna be showing you guys how this actually works. So this is the business plan. Let's go over it, all right? And I could make a lot of videos on this in the future, so let's talk about it. So the first thing is all you need is a computer, like I said, and a PayPal account. You don't really necessarily need a PayPal account, but it helps, for money transfers, right? You want to make money. All right. So how will we make the money? We're going to get paid upfront, and we're going to get recurring income every single month. Now, the recurring income to me is my favorite part. I know a lot of people are going to like the large lump sum up front, but still, I like the recurring income part. All right, so what's the business? It's very simple. We build websites, okay, and we get paid for it on a monthly basis and an upfront payment, okay? Like I said, I'm going to be sharing how this actually works. Now, why do we do this? It's very simple. We're going to be using Funnelizer Pro. Funnelizer Pro is a software that allows you to build websites, funnels, blogs, just so many different things that are internet-based. Now, why do we use this software as opposed to WordPress, as opposed to HostGator, as opposed to GoDaddy? Well, two things. Number one, we get reoccurring commissions, okay? Number two, it's very easy, it's very fast to build the websites. There's hundreds and thousands of templates to build the website the way we want it built, okay? And the third reason, okay, I don't know if I put it up here, also there is no free trial, I'll read that in a second, but the third reason is because it's extremely user-friendly. The more user-friendly it is, the better your client gets to understand how to use the program, the more recurring income you'll make. And I'll explain how that is in a few minutes. You guys just got to stick with me. These are all the different templates. I mean, there's hundreds, okay? We'll go into that a little bit later, all right? So, the free trial, and this is what makes this software different than others. If you want to design websites on Shopify, if you want to design websites on other softwares, this is the only software that has a free trial with no lock on it. Now, what does that mean? So, the free trial here is 14 days. But really what the free trial actually is a 14-day free trial until you actually pay to get it public, so your website is public. So you can edit your website, and this is what I mean when I say there's no lock. You can edit your website for 100 days, 1,000 days, 200 days, and you don't pay a single dime. You only pay when the website goes live, when it goes public, okay? So the business model behind this is that you want it to be this way, right? Because if you don't get the customer to pay, you won't be able to make recurring income. With Shopify and things like that, they not only have, a high startup cost, like $29 a month, for the average person who's never built a website before, that's a lot of money. And on top of that, right, what it is you get locked out of your website. You can't go in, you can't edit the website, you can't do any of that as long as the 14-day free trial is over. That's why this software is better than all those different softwares. Also, the software is cheaper. Okay, so if it's cheaper, people are more likely inclined to be able to use it. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below to go ahead and get to funnelizerpro.com. You could just type it in. I'm also going to leave a link down below to a free little guide. I'm going to show you guys how to promote this business. So if you want to make money promoting this business, I'll show you guys how to do that, but we're not going to talk about that right now. All right, so this is how the money setup works. You're going to charge an initial fee for every website you build, and then you're going to make 20 to 30% recurring commissions from every website that you build, and they're paying the fees for. Now, This is where the long-term income comes into play. And if you think about it, this makes a lot of sense. So I'll help you guys break it down for a minute, all right? Imagine I hire you to build me a website for $500, all right? You get paid the first $500. I, as a customer, have to pay the hosting fees. If we go... Hey guys, I forgot to actually add this part within the video, so I'm going to choose to add it in right now. If you guys want to learn how to actually promote this style business and get clients doing this, then click on the link in the description that says how to promote your website building business. So you're going to get a free video on how to do that. All right, guys? So it'll be in the description box down below. Make sure you look through every single link and just confirm that you're going through the right ones. All the links in the description will be somehow related to this video. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. Over here to Funnelizer, hit pricing. All right? The fees are pretty cheap. It's affordable, right? If you want to build a blog, you can do that for $8 a month, okay? You get the person say, listen, you got to cover the hosting fees in order for us to get started. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get a commission from that on a monthly basis from the actual hosting fee. How are you going to do that? You're going to sign up for their affiliate program. Now, I'm going to just say something real quick. I've actually made so much money with them that, I'm the head of the affiliate program now, kind of like how Chad Bartlett did his thing with Builderall. I make videos on their affiliate thing. So if you go over here to affiliate preview, this is a video that I actually made, and you guys can listen to it. And within the program, I'm teaching people how to make 6 figures with affiliate marketing behind Funnelizer, all right? But you guys obviously have the upper hand because you're also charging the initial fee, which is going to help you make money. So if you think about it, all you need to do is design 4 websites to make your first $2,000, right? $500. And then what's going to happen is they're going to actually pay a monthly fee, and I'll talk about this for the software. So they have monthly and you have yearly. Usually this is what I tend to find is that clients are going to pay monthly. If it's monthly, you get paid more money long term. So I just had a client the other day pay for the builder plan, the $50 plan. You get paid anywhere between 20 and 30% of that every single month. And I'll show you guys how that all works. But 20 to 30% of $50, let's do the math on that. It's 0.20 times $50, right? That's $10 a month that you're getting. Okay, if it's $30, okay, 30%, and there's different ways of how to get to that 30%. You guys have to check out the affiliate program to actually learn that, and I could talk about it in the future, but that's not the focus right now. You multiply that, the 30% by the 50, that's $15 a month. Over a period of time, that adds up. If you think about it, nobody's just canceling their websites left and right. People have their websites for a very long time, right? So if you do $15 and you're getting that on reoccurring commission, passive income that you don't have to pay for, right? $15 a month times 12, guess what? That's another $180 that you're getting slowly. It's a drip feed. But let's say you do that for 10, 20, 30 websites. That's money that's coming into your pocket every single month, and it's compounding. So if you guys think about this business model, it's very, very powerful. All right, so you look here. If you do this for 10 websites, you're getting a commission of $1,800 drip feed into your bank account, okay? So let's talk about it. So how are you going to do this? Like I said, let's go back into the game plan. You're going to create a website. Well, you don't, and this is why I say a website is optional. I have a website here called passiveprofits.blog. This is one of my blogs that I'm working on setting up, and I'm teaching people, and I'm mixing and matching it with all my YouTube videos and from other channels that I want to put all together into one, right? This is my blog. I'm going to create a page on my blog that basically incentivizes people to type in their email to connect with me so that I can get them to build, so I could build a website for them, right? So how's this going to work? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to pages. I'm going to hit add a new page. I'm going to call this like the design website page. So this is the first one I'm going to select. So you see here this lead generation page, just select this, and I'm going to call this website page. Website creation page is a better name actually, right? Website creation page. Let me add a little space there and let's hit add. Okay, guys, like I said, this is a full-on business plan. So you can see here the page is built. All right, I can edit this page to get people to sign up, right? So I could say, let us build your website for you, right? And You could say something here like book appointment. I'm just going to remove this, right? I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to add a little contact form. So I'm going to drag this over here, and I'm going to add a contact form, and I'm going to ask for certain stuff. So the name I want their email. I don't want the subject, but I want to ask them about the type of website they want. So website niche. So what's the niche of the website, right? We want to ask them, let's say, I don't know, some more text. Let's go for a text field, and let's ask them for, let's see here. Let me just make this a little bit cleaner. All right, the way it looks, because that's very important. Presentation is key, guys. And as you can see here, it's easy to build the website with this software, right? Website niche, the name. Let's go ahead and change name here on the bottom to required components of the website. Components of your website. And then lastly, what we're going to add is we're going to add a checkbox. So do they want a blog? Do they want a, what do they want, right? Do they want an e-com store? Something like that. So we're going to hit edit here, and we're going to actually edit the different options. So the first option is going to be e-com, right? Do they want an e-commerce store? Do they want a drop shipping store? Because we could build drop shipping stores with this, right? Drop shipping store. We could do a blog. So blogs are the easiest to build. All right. Do they want a blog? Do they want a consulting website, right? And do they want, let's say, any kind of website? Let's think of it. Let's say, I don't know, a professional services website. So what kind of website? Select, let's say for the description, select your desired type. Website type. Desired website type. Now, let's hit confirm here. All right, so we have a whole bunch of different stuff, right, that they can select. Now, let's hit save changes. Now, if you look here, you can actually go ahead and take the time to edit this. You want it to be a little bit custom. In the free video guide that I have down below, I have some information on that. So it's completely free, guys. If you want to learn a little bit more, just go ahead and select that. Go ahead and click on the link and grab it for free. But what the most important thing is, and this is why I say if you have a website, this helps, is you send people with your promotional methods. Like I said, that little course, it's like a free course in the link down below. I show you how to actually promote this business to get clients. What they're going to do is they're going to type their information here, right? Like they're going to type everything. So their website niche, let's say they're in hair care, and they want to do an e-commerce company, right? The required components of a website. I want store, I want a checkout page, and I want to look nice. Let's say something like that. And I hit submit. When it says thank you here, what's going to happen is I have something called a CRM. So if we go over here to contacts, you could see here the very first email, mark a Gmail. That's what I actually just typed in. Messages, it says here, mark a Gmail, website niche is hair care, store checkout page, right? And I want it to look nice, and checkbox, right? E-commerce. So it gives me all the information on this person's profile. What I could do is I actually could take the time and download this and send it over to a VA or something like that to work through it and connect with these people like a salesperson, or I could just hit them up myself and be like, hey, I want to work with you. Now, the reason why I say this whole part is optional is simply because you could do this through Gmail or something like that. Of course, it's going to be a little bit less professional, and your conversion rate is going to go down because of that, but it doesn't really matter. With a website like this, you could literally grab the cheapest plan on here for $12 a month. You could pay for it yearly and get a discount at $8 a month. Let's see what $8 a month actually comes out to, right? 8 times 12, let's see here. That's $96. You could pay $96, get this little website up for a whole entire year, and make thousands of dollars a week, right? Thousands of dollars a year, and it will be really good. So the website is optional, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to collect traffic. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to collect traffic in the free link down below, the free training. If you don't want to click on it and you don't want to do this business, that's perfectly fine, but you're going to be missing out, all right? And like I said, the income proof is there. If you guys want to sign up to this and get this going, I show you guys and I walk through it with you every single step of the way. If you want to see more videos on this method, because it could be very in-depth if you're really into it, just hit me up in the comments down below and let me know what do you guys think, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye. Alright guys, congratulations to reaching the end of the video where now you guys learned how to actually put the business plan together, the whole idea behind making the money. But if you want to learn how to actually promote your business of website building, right? If you want to take this seriously, definitely check out my free training. Like I said, I've already mentioned this, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. Or if you want to just get right there, type in passiveprofits.blog, how to promote your website building business with a little dash in between every word, all right? So you can click on the link down below or get there. I'm going to be providing a free training that's going to give you information, one free guide as to how to promote the website building business to get clients right away. Okay, guys? Now, I found out that this works very, very well. It's actually very surprising to me, and, you guys are going to be able to check it out. Now, these, just to be very clear, it's not using Instagram, Pinterest, or Twitter, or any social media that we've talked about previously, right? I'm not going to give you the guide on how to create an Instagram account and then put your business on there and then reach out to clients through the DM or something like that. No, this is not it, okay? So it's a completely different method. If you guys want to check it out, you have to come to this webpage, right? Enter your name and your email, and it's going to take you into your inbox that's going to then send you the link, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.